Pinong-pinang pumapalapitan. This is Live Radio, Block 1. I am Elizabeth, your news anchor. Authorities are cracking down on rising black market trade allowance, targeting smuggling operations.
It's fine. These people who don't are right. Just think about it. This is not joke. It's bribery. And it losses you more than us. Sometimes you have to take a risk. Really. Trust me.
Your late 20s, time is money. Alam mo yan.
Traffic. But I'm here now. It would serve you.
Hurry and electronic. No question asked. Just move to the past. But if you're not, I'll never let you.
Right. Let's just take this smooth. Sana namang kahinaan na lang shipment. Same road, no record. It's Clarice Company again.
I've been monitoring her transactions. There are inconsistencies in her import and export records. We need to find some solid evidence to catch her.
Good. Let's also look into Adam. He's a well-known player in the black market. We need to build a solid case against him both.
The shipment is leaving the port tonight. Make sure everything goes smoothly.
I'll be there, but this is our last cue.
We have them. They're making the exchange tonight at the old docks.
Prepare the team for the movie.
Huwag kang titigil sa masama.
Katapusan mo na! Wala ka nang makalakasan!
Isang nagbabagang balita na smuggling dealers has been captured by federal local authorities. Naroon po sa Miss Julian Ortiz para sa kasama ni Corso. Miss Julian, ano ang nangyari sa mga
Thank you, Miss Julia.